I'm using Artisan's black wax today to finish off a set of bedside drawers that I've just leaned over on its side so I can get these feet done. But I've put the black wax along this bottom edge here, and you can see how it just gives it a lovely age look. The colour of the paint is duck egg in the Artisan's chalk paint range. Beautiful duck egg, and then I've waxed it, and now in a clear wax, and now I'm going over with a dark wax. So just ignore this little mess here, but this is what I've been working on here. So brushing it on and then wiping it back off. Okay, super easy to apply. Just got to get a bit on your wax brush. Don't need a lot. And then I'm just gonna, let's see if I can go over in this corner here so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go along this way, along with the grain. You can go swirling motions if you like. And then we're going to wipe off afterwards. Now, because it's a chalk paint, it's a porous finish. And it's a good idea to add a white wax, a clear wax, sorry, over the top before you do your decorative waxes, like your black wax, antiquing wax, or white wax. You can go as much or as little as you want, and then we want to get a clean lint-free cloth and just wipe back any excess. Sort of moves it around the place. That old world look. It's like we're really grunging it up, but it looks really messy right now. But as you do it more and more and sort of stand back and think, oh yeah, what does it look like now? You can change it up a little bit. Also, if you've got too much black wax and you need to maneuver it around a bit, there seems to be some little patches where I may not have had the clear wax underneath, and so then the black wax is really soaking into that pigment of those areas. A lovely aged look on this piece. And this is the top section here. I thought I'd just run along some of these ridges and grooves at the side, which really tend to show that black wax working. And so we've got a couple of little dings here. You want to get the wax right into any grooves and pivots and divots. Even the chalk paint that I used. Chalk paint's quite a textural paint. Lends itself nicely to those aged looking brush strokes that you see that are really effective when you put on finishing waxes like the dark wax. So just working with this bit here. I won't worry about the top just yet, but taking that same lint-free cloth and just wiping back the excess. And you can see how, I'll show you that closely in a minute, you can see how nicely that black wax sits in all the crevices and the grooves. Here we go. So you can see the black wax sitting in the grains and this little divot here. Any little dings and crevices creates a lovely aged look. Okay, so I'm just going to finish off with showing you this little drawer that belongs to the bedside table we've been doing. We're going to go over that with black wax also. All right, so just rubbing the black wax. You can see there's a little divot right here. Make sure we get that right inside. So we want to highlight all those bits. Rubbing it all over, especially in these grooves at the end, the ends. Get our cloth now and wipe back all the excess. Starting to dry already. See if I can show you that shine. See the shine on that? All ready to go. Looking great. See the shine on it?